Good morning, Manadal. Today we discuss sharpness of resonance or quality factor. That means sharpness of resonance and the quality factor. Sharpness is of resonance is higher. The quality factor that means sharpness of sharpness of resonance or quality factor. Okay, sharpness of what is the quality factor or sharpness of resonance? It is a physical quantity. It is a one kind of physical quantity which tell as the better sound quality in the circuit. It is a one kind of formula, that is quality factor formula is equal to resonance frequency by resonance frequency by bandwidth, or voltage across L or C and voltage across R. This is the quality factor formula. Okay, quality factor or sharpness of the resonance, that is it is a one kind of physical quantity which tell as a better quality of sound. That is sharpness is high, that is resonance is get higher, the quality factor is higher. That means resonance is proportional to the quality factor. Resonance is higher, the quality factor is a quality factor. That means sharpness is higher, the quality factor is higher, that is resonance is higher. That means resonance frequencies depends upon L and C, inductor or capacitor. It is resonance frequency independent of resistor. That is quality factor also depends upon L and C. That is L is high, C is high, we get highest quality factor. That means sharpness is high, the quality factor is high. The quality factor means it is tuning, sound tuning. That is tuning. Tuning means resonance is sharpness is for resonance frequency is high. Suppose like this. Compared to this graph, this is resonance is low, this is also low. That means current is maximum. So here also current is maximum. It is graph 1, it is graph 2. In the case of second graph, we get highest sharpness, we get highest sound clarity, that is highest quality factor. That is the reason we want to prove the quality factor in the LCR circuit, the sharpness of the resonance. Okay, in the some radio stations we can set up some in the same in the previous chapter resonance frequency and quality factor is a relation. That means sharpness is higher, the get highest resonance frequency is proportional to the quality factor. That is sharpness is high, quality factor is high. Yesterday we can discuss about resonance frequency. The resonance frequency is phenomena, it is same related to the quality factor of LCR circuit. Okay, now the amplitude in the circuit, in the LCR circuit is given by, that is current amplitude, that is current or amplitude in the LCR circuit is equal to Im is equal to Vm by R square, that is Xc minus XL whole square. This is the formula, that is yesterday also discussed, that in the case of resistance, same resistance and quality factor is under relation. Okay, Im is equal to Vm by root of R square plus Xc minus XL whole square. We get highest maximum current. Maximum we get at x is equal to xl. Same relation, that is we get highest amplitude, highest current x is equal to xl. That means at x is equal to xl means Im is equal to Vm by Vm by r square plus 0. Okay, next Vm by root of r square, that is Vm by r. Okay, this is equation number 1. I is equal to Im is equal to Vm by r. This is equation number 1. Im is equal to Vm by r. Same expression in the case of resonance frequency. This is the condition for resonance frequency, that is xz is equal to r. We get highest current or maximum current, that is maximum current. The maximum is current is will be maximum, power also maximum at resonance frequency, that is highest sharpness. Sharpness is high means highest amplitude. Sharpness is high, the quality factor is high, the resonance is high. That is resonance get high, the frequency at certain frequency, that frequency is called resonance frequency. At resonance frequency we get maximum current, power also maximum. That is according to formula P is equal to I square R. That is current is maximum, power is maximum. At this point maximum means power, current is maximum. Suppose we can take IRMS formula. IRMS is equal to I maximum by root 2 formula. I maximum root 2 is maximum by root 2. This case, that is I maximum by root 2. I maximum by root 2 we get like this. This clarity is, this is I maximum, that is I maximum by root 2. This I maximum is I maximum by root 2. It is at that point we get resonance frequency. At that point power also maximum. At that point maximum current also maximum, power also maximum. At I maximum by root 2 we get some frequencies, that is omega 1 first frequency, that is here is omega 2. This difference is called bandwidth. At this point we get power is half. According to formula, P is equal to I square R. That is P square, that is power maximum, I square is maximum. In the case of this case, that is I maximum by root 2. I maximum by root 2 all square into R, that is I maximum by 2 into R, I maximum square. That is I maximum into R is called P maximum. That is dissipative power is equal to P maximum by 2. Here this power will be maximum, that is power decreasing. The resistance, that means resistance will be decreases. That means frequency changes at a certain frequency, the power also changes, current also changes. That means power will be decreases. It is depends upon frequency. Okay, from this case we can explain the current, maximum current, that is I maximum by root 2. That is I maximum by root 2 at omega 1. It is initial frequency, that is final frequency, initial frequency. That is bandwidth means difference between the initial frequency, final frequency minus initial frequency. That is initial frequency is called omega 1. That is at this point I maximum by root 2. At I maximum by root 2 omega 1. At I maximum by root 2. At I maximum by root 2, that is omega 1. at second point is omega 2. At omega 1 we find the quality factor and we can solve the equation from the above equation. We get from the equation number 1, that is Im is equal to Vm by r square omega 1, that means xc minus xl. Xc minus xl, it can be in the form of omega xc means omega c 1 by omega c into omega 1l. Okay, you know this equation can be derived. Im is equal to Vm by r square xc, reactive inductance అంటే 1 by omega c, that is 1 by omega c minus xl omega l whole square under root. This equation, okay, this can be written in the form of omega 1. Okay, we can write this equation, above equation, in the form of omega 1. Okay, from this equation Im is equal to Vm by r square plus omega 1 by omega 1 c minus 1 by omega 1 l whole square under root. Okay, when we can multiply with root 2 on both sides. This equation can be divided by with root 2. Im by root 2, here Vm by root 2 by r square plus 1 by omega 1 c minus 1 by omega 1 l square under root. This I maximum by root 2 is called IRMS. I maximum by root 2 is called IRMS. V maximum by root 2 is called VRMS. VRMS by r square 1 by omega 1 c minus omega 1 l whole square under root. This equation number 2. From equation number 1, what is the condition for resonance? At resonance we get sharpness. That is the quality factor. What is the condition for resonance? Xc is equal to xl. This value substitute in the equation number 1 from the above equation. This is equation number 1. From equation number 1, xc is equal to xl, that is a condition for resonance. Im is equal to Vm by, that is r square 0 square under root, that is Im is equal to Vm by r. Okay, from this equation we can it in the form of r. We can IRMS is equal to V RMS by r. Okay, compare these two equations. Okay, multiply with root 2. From this equation, root 2, that means IRMS is equal to Vm by VRMS by root 2 into r. Okay, this equation will be compare this IRMS is equal to VRMS by R square plus 1 by omega square minus omega 1 into whole square is equal this equation IRMS is equal to, from the equation 1, IRMS is equal to VRMS by root 2 by R. From the equation we can substitute the condition for resonance, that means sharpness of resonance is high, the sharpness is high. From the above equation we get, from compare the both equation, that is Vm by root 2 into R is equal to Vm by R square plus 1 by omega c minus omega L whole square. Vm cancel. Okay, we can compare both equation. Under root into R is equal to R square, sorry here root is there, R square. You can write down any omega L minus 1 by omega 1 c. Okay, in the case of bracket we can change with omega c minus omega L or omega L minus omega c, 1 by omega c, whatever be, it can be squaring, we can changing the any term. Okay, from this case we can squaring on both side. This we want to remove the root, that is we squaring on both side. We get squaring means we get to root 2 get to R square is equal to R square plus omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 c whole square. Okay, this R comes to this side, that means 2R square minus R square is equal to omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 c whole square. R square 2R square minus R square means R square is equal to omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 c whole square. Square cancel on both side. R is equal to omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 c. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2 or 1, sorry 3. Equation number 3. From this equation we know relation from the graph, that means here this is omega naught, this is I maximum, it is IRMS by I maximum by root 2. Only we want to measure the only IM by root 2, that means at this point this is omega 1, this is omega 2. This difference is called bandwidth, it is 2 delta omega. That means difference from the above you can write the some equations. Omega 1 is equal to 2 equations, that is omega naught delta omega 2 is equal to omega naught minus delta omega. That means difference omega 2 minus omega 1, that is from this equation compare, that is omega 2 minus omega 2 minus omega 1, that is the difference of frequency, that is omega 1 omega not cancel, that is we get 2 delta omega. This is the bandwidth. Okay, omega 1 we want to derive omega 1, this omega 1 value substitute in the above formula, that is R is equal to omega 1, that is omega naught delta omega into L minus 1 by omega naught omega naught plus delta omega into c. Okay, we can take common from this equation omega L, omega naught L, we get 1 minus delta omega by omega naught minus 1 by omega naught c, 1 plus delta omega by omega naught equal to r. Okay, from this equation omega naught L is into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus relation resonance frequency omega square is equal to 1 by LC. That is, we can modify omega naught to C is equal to 1 by omega L. Okay, this is equation resonance frequency is equal to 1 by root of under root of LC. Okay, from this equation omega is equal to under root of LC, omega square is equal to 1 by LC. That is omega, that is resonance frequency means that is omega naught into C is equal to 1 by omega naught into L. This omega naught C can be written as 1 by omega naught L. That means omega naught L by 1 plus delta omega by omega naught. Okay, in the case of this term can be written in the form of, that means 1 plus delta omega by omega naught inverse can be written as 1 minus delta omega by delta omega. This value substitute in the above equation, that is r is equal to omega naught L 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught L into, that is 1 minus delta omega by omega naught. Okay, omega naught L is common, we can take omega naught L is common, that is 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus 1 plus delta omega by omega naught. Okay, 1 cancel, that is r is equal to omega naught L into okay, 1 cancel, that is 2 delta omega by 1 plus 1 2 delta omega by omega naught cancel, is equal to r, that is r is equal to L into 2 delta omega. 2 delta omega is called bandwidth, that is r by L. Okay, 2 delta is the r by L. From this equation omega, you know quality factor formula. What is the quality factor formula? Resonance frequency by bandwidth. Okay, what is the resonance frequency? Omega naught. What is the bandwidth? R by L. That is omega naught L by R. Okay, omega naught to L. What is the omega value? omega is equal to what 1 by under root of LC. We substitute here value omega naught is equal to 1 by under root of LC into L by R. It can written as L root L into root L by under root of L into under root of C into R. Root L cancel, that is 1 by R into root L by C, that is under root of L by C. That is the quality factor of LCR. And also 1 by R into L by C. And also you can prove the quality factor from another formula is there. Another formula, what is the formula? Voltage across the LRC by voltage across the resistance. Okay, we can prove the quality factor formula from another one. That is what is the voltage across the L? Suppose L, we can take L or C, whatever, you can take any one. Suppose that is the voltage across the L, that is IXL. What is the voltage across the R? IR. I cancel. That is, what is the XL? Omega L by R. That is this is the omega is the resonant frequency. What is the omega naught? 1 by root of LC into L by R. That is same. You can take same. Simply this is like same. Quality factor is equal to 1 by R into under root of L by C. This is the quality factor from the voltage across the inductor or capacitor, voltage across the resistance. This term also we can modify. It can be in the form, another form. Okay, quality factor is equal to omega naught resonant frequency by 2 delta omega R omega naught to L by R 1 by R is equal to under root of L by C R 1 by omega naught RC. This is the quality factor. Okay, you want to prove this one. What is the quality factor from this equation? Q is equal to omega naught L by R. That is omega is equal to, that is, you know what is the formula? It means omega square is equal to 1 by root of LC. That is L value, omega naught L. Omega naught L means omega L is equal to 1 by omega C. Here we simplify this equation. Omega L is equal to 1 by omega naught C. We can omega naught L is equal to we can substitute this value 1 by R into 1 by R into 1 by omega naught C. That is 1 by R omega naught C. That is quality factor is equal to omega naught by 2 delta omega naught by omega naught into L by R 1 by R into under root of L by C. That is prove this one. From this equation, quality factor omega naught by, from this equation we get 1 by omega naught into RC. This quality factor of LCR circuit. So the quality factor is high, low bandwidth. The quality factor is high. The quality factor is high, low bandwidth. Quality factor is high, bandwidth is low, frequency is high. That means resonance frequency is high, L is high. That is resistance is low. The quality factor is, it is depends upon R and C and resonance frequency. That is, frequency is high, we get high quality. That means sharpness of the resonance is high, we get sound quality is good. That means we get tuning sound of the resonance is very good. Suppose we get, compare this one. This is 1, this is 2. Which is better quality factor? That means we get highest current, highest resonance, highest power and highest quality factor. That means highest quality factor means sharpness is higher. The sharpness is higher, we get highest sharpness is high, quality factor is high. That means sharpness of the resonance means that is the quality factor. At resonance resonance peak is less, sharpness is less, the bandwidth is high. That means sharpness is high, quality factor is high, that is bandwidth is low, that is delta omega and 2 delta omega is low. That means we can reducing the frequencies like this, we get sharp like this. We can reducing the frequency like this, we get highest sharpness. We can reducing the bandwidth, we get sharpness, highest sharpness means that we get quality factor. That means we get tuning is listening sound is very high in the LCR circuit. This is the quality factor of the LCR circuit. Okay, thank you. Ananda.